Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm glad you're here. Today we'll be making a Christmas tree with balloons. This time around I'm using a dot glue, a glue dot. The previous one that I used the 260 balloon to decorate it. So I want to compare between the two and see which one I like better. Let's go. So for this, guys, we'll be needing 4 pieces of 12-inch balloons, a few 5-inch red balloons, 10-inch balloons white, and some 5-inch gold colored balloons. Let's go on. So we'll begin by taking the 12-inch balloons and inflate it 30 full pumps, and that is how we would inflate each layer, the 4 on each layer, reducing the pumps by 5. That means 30, 25, and then gradually reducing it until we get to 5 pumps in the last layer of 4 balloons. So we start by pairing them up into 2 and then into 4. This is the pairing of the 10-inch balloons, and that was how I did each layer according to their sizes. Now we'll be inflating the 5-inch balloons, the one we'll be using to decorate the tree. We'll give it 3 pumps each or 4, depending on how you want your tree to come out. For these 5-inch balloons, you can inflate as many as possible, as much that will fill the gaps in the tree. Lastly, I will be using one 260 balloon to hold the star in place. So here is the result of the inflated balloons. We have the 12-inch balloons inflated into 30 pumps, the 10-inch balloons inflated into 25 pumps, 20, 15, 10, and 5. These are paired up in 4s according to their sizes. So now we're going to start arranging, beginning with the 12-inch balloon at the base, and we walk it up to the very top of the lamp stand. Just pair it up and twist it. This would help the balloon to be firmly placed on the lamp stand. And here is our tree, although without the accessories yet. I love what I'm saying already. Here's our dot glue, which we'll be using to attach the 5-inch balloons on the tree. So what I did basically is to attach the 5-inch balloons in between the spaces of the arranged white balloons. So we just fill it in. For this particular design, I only designed the front since the back would not be visible to anyone. But if yours would be visible, that is where you'll be placing it, I would advise that you accessorize it all round. For this one, I only put the 5-inch balloons in the front. That's where it would be seen basically. So this is what we have for now. You don't have to arrange the 5-inch balloons in a particular way or particular order. Just put it as you wish, as you feel, as you like it. So here's my 260 balloon attached to the star. I feel the top area is not well accessorized, so I'm going to fill it up with more balloons. And that's it, everyone. The Christmas tree with balloons. It's doable, it's simple, it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried this as well, and let's share ideas together. Thank you for watching.